So hello everyone, welcome to another video, just like another day. So today is Wednesday actually, and today we are going gym because we have a leg day today. So mainly we will do three exercises because today I'm not feel like doing exercises a lot. So yeah, that's the thing. Let's go. So we are here at gym, and we are starting out with hamstring curls. I've done warm up, and now let's do it. Firstly, we are starting out with 6 plates, and then we will see if we can add or decrease the weight. So we are done with the second set. I started with 5 plates, and then I did the drop set with 3 plates, and again we are doing third set as well, but with the 5 plates obviously. And then we will head to the leg press, and then we will see what weight should I choose. So the second exercise is leg press. We are starting out with the 40 kgs weight each side. So that will be like 80, 80 kgs, and then we will see if we can add or decrease in the further sets. So let's do the first set. Let's set 2.5 kgs. I guess that's enough. Um, let's move on to the arm exercise, and then we will do the shoulder press. So here we are at our home. I just got home from the gym, and I didn't record the outro at the gym because the mic was dead, and now I charged it, and now it is doing well. So yeah, that's the thing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing. Bye.